Protocol has two different AI features built in, and they serve different purposes. This video covers both, the research assistant for looking things up, and the check-in coach that analyzes your data after every daily check-in. For this demo, we renamed our research assistant to Bob. You can rename your AI assistant when completing the onboarding wizard or afterwards in settings. Let's start with the daily check-in. The daily check-in is where you log how you're feeling each day. Weight is optional. Then you rate energy, mood, sleep quality, sleep hours, pain level, libido, and appetite, all on a simple scale. This only takes about 30 seconds, and it's the data that makes the check-in coach useful. Below the ratings, you log any side effects. Protocol includes a pre-built list covering the most common ones: injection site reactions, nausea, headache, fatigue, and more. If you experience something not on the list, tap Add Custom Effect to create your own. Add any free-form notes, then tap Save Check-in. This is where it gets interesting. After saving, the check-in coach, powered by the same AI as the research assistant, reads your log data and gives you a personalized analysis. It's not generic advice. It's looking at your actual numbers. In this example, our AI assistant noticed that mood and energy are holding strong at 8 to 9 despite highly variable sleep, flagged the HRV spike as a positive recovery signal, and recommended stabilizing sleep timing to get cleaner data on what's actually driving results. You can tap Ask a Follow-up question to dig deeper. This is a different tool from the research assistant. The coach looks at your personal tracking data. The research assistant looks up compounds, stacks, and dosing from research literature. Both are Bob, but they're doing different jobs. The research assistant shows up throughout the app wherever research is relevant. In your inventory, you'll see the Ask Bob banner at the top. Tap it to ask anything about any compound in your inventory, or any compound at all. Ask a plain language question and Bob, the AI research assistant, pulls from research literature to give you a structured answer. Here, the question is, what peptide works for sleep? Bob comes back with DSIP and other options, each with context on mechanism, clinical data availability, and what to watch for. The query counter is shown in the top right, 19 left in this session. From the catalog, each compound has its own research assistant entry point. The Ask Bob card shows suggested questions right there: half-life, stacking options, side effects, so you don't have to think about what to ask. Tap it, and you're in a conversation scoped to that specific compound. The AI research assistant formats responses clearly: structured sections, tables where it helps, plain language throughout. And at the bottom of the conversation, you can add the compound directly to your catalog without leaving the chat. The AI Stack Builder is the third place your research assistant shows up, inside Create Protocol. Instead of adding compounds one by one, you describe a goal, and Bob proposes a full stack for you. It asks clarifying questions to tailor the recommendation to your situation. Type your goal, and your AI assistant walks you through a few questions before proposing a protocol. This is how the app handles users who are newer to peptides and want a starting point. The AI does the initial stack design, you review it and decide what to track. Now for the settings. Head to Settings and scroll to the AI Research Assistant section. You can rename the assistant to anything you want. For our demo, we named our research assistant Bob, but it's your app. Queries Remaining shows your monthly allocation plus any purchased credits. Pro subscribers get 50 queries per month. The free version comes with 5 to get you started. Below that, the AI Assistant section lets you control exactly where the assistant appears. You can toggle it on or off for inventory, progress, check-in coach, protocol add item, catalog, and protocol detail independently. So if you only want research available in certain parts of the app, you have full control. If you run through your monthly queries, you can top up. 50 queries for 99 cents, 200 for $2.99. One-time purchases that never expire. Credits stack with your monthly allocation and roll over as long as you have them. And at the bottom of the AI Assistant section, there's a Disable All AI toggle. One tap turns off the assistant across the entire app if you want to use Protocol purely as a tracker. Protocol's Research Assistant is what makes Protocol the premier peptide tracking app. The research is built in, the coaching is built in, and it's all connected to your actual data. This is why thousands of health optimizers and peptide users choose Protocol to be their primary tracking app. Download Protocol at protocolapp.health.